What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to be showing you how to make this cool outlet cover slash decoration slash light.
Amazing!
It's amazing how much of a difference lighting can make. If you follow this tutorial and watch this video, I'm going to show you how to achieve this look for under $30. All I used for this was a 1x4, and I had scraps left over from this project. By the way, this is going to be a loft slash hideout, bunk bed, play area, and we have an awesome secret door here to a secret hideout. So if you guys are interested in that build, stay tuned. That's going to be coming out in the next video. So moving on to this, I'll list all the supplies down in the description below. Like I said, it's extremely simple. You just need a piece of wood, access to a electrical outlet, and you can attach these string lights to the back. So let's get started. Alright, so I have this 1x4 cut to 6 foot length, and then I also cut with that same board with the extra wood I had. We cut a piece that's 1.5 inches, and that's just gonna provide a little bit of spacing so that it'll cover the outlet. So the first thing we're gonna do, I went ahead and marked out the center. So that's where the wood will go, and I outlined another spot here. So we're just going to use a little bit of glue, and I have 2-inch 18 gauge brad nails that we'll use to hold this piece down to the back. Okay, come on, buddy. Here's what we'll do. Just going to add a little bit of glue to the back of this. And I'm going to have you shoot the nails in, okay? Buddy, 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 buddy. Buddy, 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 buddy. And 1, 2, 3. Woo!
Josh, that's scary.
You did it! You did it, buddy. Another one over here. 1, 2. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Did it, buddy. We're gonna put glue under here.
Wow.
And here, 1, 2, 3.
You're blocking my
Oh,
stuff.
sorry.
You're blocking my way.
Sorry. Good. Do another one here. 1, 2, 3. And one more here. 1, 2, 3. Perfect.
Who is that for?
Huh?
Who's that for?
It's for you.
For my bunk bed?
Yeah, it's gonna cover light.
Okay.
So next, all we need to do, we're gonna stain that.
Stain it?
Yep, stain it. Next thing we're gonna do is apply some stain. Alright, so I'm gonna be using this to hang it up, and all you need to do is screw it onto the back of here. So I'll go ahead and do that now. Alright, since that is going to be close to the very edge of that piece of wood, I didn't want it to split, so I went ahead and drilled that out. Alright, so we have our piece of wood stained, ready to go. I cleaned it off, so all the lint is off of there. These are the LED strips that we're going to be using. I like these ones the best because they're nice and bright. It's the color that we like, and also the LEDs are placed close together. So we're going to go ahead and start from the bottom, and we'll start wrapping this all the way around. So this is the power. This is the the on and off switch. You can hold this for 3 seconds if you want to dim it. And comes with a little kit for clips if you want to attach the LEDs to the wall. It has a little alcohol wipe, which we'll use real quick to prep the surface again. Alright, before we attach it, I'm going to try to connect it to the power supply just to make sure it works. I forgot to mention, initially I tried to apply the LED light strips directly onto where the stain was. That didn't work, it just wouldn't stick. So I went ahead and applied some polyurethane and I coated the wood, and that worked out perfectly. Okay, so I'm back in Gray's room. I found the spot where I'm gonna mount it above that outlet there. So you have a stud to the right of the outlet, but nothing directly above it. So I just went ahead and marked out that spot where I'm gonna drill. I'll put in an anchor and then go ahead and mount this by this tab here, and we'll see what it looks like. And I'll go ahead and hide the cords later, but let's go ahead and turn it on and see what it looks like. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can really tell how cool it looks, but in real life, it looks awesome. Once again, thank you for watching. If you liked it, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, drop a comment, and share it with a friend. We have a lot of cool videos coming up, a lot of fun projects indoor and outdoors, so I hope to see you on the next video.